Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another Fujifilm simulation recipe. This one has actually been on my camera for a long time. It's the Ektachrome 100SW. SW stands for saturated warm. This is a film simulation recipe I found on the Fuji Weekly website, my go-to place to find recipes for the Fujifilm X100v when I go taking some pictures. So Ektachrome was a slide film that was introduced by Kodak back in 1996. Not to be mistaken with Kodachrome. Kodachrome is a very popular film simulation recipe in the Fujifilm community. I do have a video on that if you want to check that out. You can definitely check that out. One of the big differences on this one with Ektachrome is it uses the Velvia film simulation. So you're gonna get that nice pop and saturation on the colors, which you can really notice in these pictures. So I went out this morning, went for a walk. Kind of my new favorite place to go for a walk is Stewart Farm, relatively close to home, just to go down there in the morning. Nobody's ever really out there in the morning, so it's nice to kind of walk around, take a few pictures, and I think was a good time to check out this film simulation with the nice green on the leaves and some of the flowers that are really out for summer. So hopefully you enjoy. Check out these sample images, just so you know. As always, they are just JPEGs straight out of the camera using the X100v. Haven't done any editing other than possibly the odd crop or straighten of the alignment on some of these photos. But other than that, just JPEG straight out of the camera. I hope you enjoy. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know down in the comments below what photo you liked. Obviously, it's always appreciated. If you want to give this one a try, I will also leave the recipe down in the description so you can load that into your camera and go outside and take a few pictures and try the Ektachrome 100SW film simulation recipe. This channel, I'm going to be having more videos. I've got a bit more time. It's the summer, so a bit more time to relax and get out and take some photos. So I'll definitely be trying to share some more photos on the channel and some more recipes on the channel. On that note, if you do have a favorite recipe that you're using, let me know what one you're using down in the comments. It'd be great to try some new recipes. If you know one, or if you even have your own, leave the recipe down in the comments. It'd be great to kind of check these out and see what the community is posting. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.